Turn away from the priest of Baal, as warlords who will curse you. So, you're one of the prophets. We thought we'd put an end to you. There'll be no rain unless I, Elijah, say so. So Elijah told Ahab, he was priest of the temple now. God in 6:3, the priests of Baal are up to 2,000. We will place sacrifices on the altars. The priests of Baal will call upon their God. I will call upon the Lord. For ours is by fire, let him be the true God. So the priests of Baal indulged and moaned and screamed and moaned in the depths around. The elders were doing. Oh, come on, louder, louder! Surely Baal is a god. He just can't hear you. Maybe he's speaking with other gods. Maybe he's on a long journey. Powerful Baal, send out your fire. Please cloth with wash. Take away every water as much as you can. Do it again. And again. Stop him! He's crazy! But when we fail, the people will come for us. Lord, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Israel, let me know this day that thou art God. For thee there is no other. O Lord God of Abraham, will have his justice. When Elijah grew to be an old man, God said, "Are you charged? Take Elijah home to heaven." Elijah has passed on his cloak of ministry to Elisha, God's chosen prophet.